Will Trump's auto tariffs save American jobs, or backfire and hurt the entire economy? Today, we're breaking down the real impact of auto tariffs on U.S. manufacturing, global trade, and your wallet. Let's get into it. Package Part 1. What are auto tariffs? First, what are auto tariffs? A tariff is a tax on imported goods. In this case, we're talking about cars and auto parts coming from other countries, like Japan, Germany, South Korea, and Mexico. Former President Trump has pushed for higher auto tariffs to protect U.S. carmakers and reduce America's trade deficit. The logic? If foreign cars cost more, people will buy more American-made vehicles. Seems simple, right? Well, not so fast. Factory Part 2. The case for tariffs. Supporters of auto tariffs say it's all about bringing jobs back. Right-finger U.S. auto plants have been closing for decades. Right-finger China, Japan, and others have massive trade surpluses with the U.S. Right-finger tariffs could make domestic production more competitive. So in theory, higher tariffs could boost U.S. car manufacturing, protect American jobs, encourage companies to build more plants in the U.S. Sounds like a win. But now let's look at the other side. Collision Part 3. The case against tariffs. Critics warn that tariffs can cause more harm than good. Here's why. Most U.S. carmakers rely on global supply chains. Even American cars often contain foreign-made parts. Tariffs raise production costs, which means higher prices for consumers. Car consumers lose. New cars get more expensive, and auto loans may rise. Factory jobs may still be lost. If automakers can't stay profitable, they may lay off workers or move operations abroad. Plus, other countries might retaliate with their own tariffs, starting a trade war. And let's not forget, industries like agriculture and tech could suffer from the fallout too. Downward Trend Part 4. The economic big picture. From a macroeconomic perspective, tariffs distort free markets. While they protect one industry, they often raise prices and reduce efficiency across the board. Some economists argue tariffs could lead to higher inflation, slower economic growth, reduced global investment in the U.S. In short, it might help a few factories short-term, but harm the economy long-term. Ballot Box with Ballot Part 5. Politics and timing. Let's be real, tariffs are not just about economics. They're also about politics. In election years, trade protectionism can be popular, especially in swing states with strong manufacturing histories. But the question is, do short-term political wins justify long-term economic risk? Bar graph conclusion. So, will Trump's auto tariffs boost U.S. manufacturing or harm the economy? Checkmark. They might temporarily help certain auto plants. Crossmark. But they could backfire, raising prices, hurting consumers, and triggering trade retaliation. The real answer? It depends on how other countries react, and whether U.S. companies adapt fast enough to compete globally. What do you think? Smart move or economic mistake? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Speech balloon. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.